Hola clase, hoy vamos a tomar apuntes en las comparaciones iguales, or in English, equal comparisons. We're going to do another video about unequal comparisons, but today this video is just focusing on equal comparisons. So there are two different ways to form equal comparisons in Spanish. First one is, here you have the verb of the sentence. Then you'll have this word tan, and this will be an adjetivo, some sort of adjective, and then the word como. So tan blank como. Okay, so what it translates to is as, adjective, as tall as funny as smart as, and this word also means as. So in English we say as twice. I am as funny as Michael Scott. We are as hardworking as our teacher. Things. That's how we say it in English. In Spanish, there are two different words. We say tan blank como. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at some of these sentences, because the best way to do this is just to practice it, look at examples. So I'm going to go ahead and just translate these sentences. The girl is as tall as the boy. La chica es, there's my verb is es, and then to say as tall as, so I'm going to say tan. Now, I have to decide, am I going to use alto or alta? Since my first subject here is la chica, I have to match her. So I'm going to say la chica is tan alta como el chico. So then I said, the girl is as tall as the boy. My mother is as nice as your mother. I'll follow the same formula. Mi madre es, there's my verb. After the verb I do tan, and then the adjective is nice. I'm going to match mi madre, so it's singular feminine. Es tan simpática como tu madre. I am as smart as Robert. Yo soy, there's my verb is soy. After the verb comes tan, and then the adjective, tan inteligente como Robert. Robert is as smart as I am. Or Robert is as smart as I. In English, this is how you should technically say it. We usually, as English speakers, say this incorrectly grammatically wise. We usually say, Robert is as smart as me. But technically in English, you're supposed to say, Robert is as smart as I, and the same thing as in Spanish. Robert es tan inteligente como yo. Robert is tan inteligente como yo. Robert is as smart as I. Okay. Your sisters are as serious as his sisters. Okay, let's look at this one. Your sisters, so we have tus hermanas. I'm using my possessive adjective with tus hermanas, are as serious as his sisters. Now, my verb for are would be son, and I'd still say tan. Now, when I want to say the sisters are serious, that has to match tus hermanas, so that is plural and feminine. So I'm going to say tus hermanas son tan serias como sus hermanas. My friends are as lazy as your friends. I would say mis amigos son tan perezosos como tus amigos. Now, why did I use perezosos? Because mis amigos are plural and masculine. So I had to match perezosos with this person. That comes first. Okay? The second way to make comparisons in Spanish is the verb. Just like we were doing up here, you start with the verb, and then all you say is tanto como. Now this phrase alone, tanto como, means as much as. And you don't have to change anything about its spelling. Just leave it as tanto como, and then you're saying as much as. Her students learn as much as my students. Sus estudiantes, they learn, aprenden, tanto como mis estudiantes. Her students learn as much as my students. So this whole phrase together means as much as. Rosario shares her food as much as Josefina. Here's my verb. Comparte su comida tanto como Josefina. Oops. The grapes are as much as the apples. Instead of saying are as much, I'm going to say they cost as much as the apples. Las uvas cuestan tanto como las manzanas. I like Spanish class as much as English class. Me gusta la clase de español tanto como, as much as, la clase de inglés. Do you like to talk as much as to listen? ¿Te gusta hablar tanto como escuchar? So you can see how using tanto como with liking things would be very, very common. Okay, so that is our video on equal comparisons. Muchas gracias. And now you should watch the video on unequal comparisons.